The comparison between mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboard is a common topic among computer users, gamers, programmers, and office workers. Both types of keyboards serve the same purpose, allowing users to input commands and text, but they differ significantly in design, typing feel, durability, and overall performance. Choosing the right keyboard depends on personal preferences, budget, and how the keyboard will be used. A membrane keyboard is the most common type found in homes, schools, and offices. It uses a thin rubber membrane beneath the keys, which registers a key press when pressure is applied. One of the biggest advantages of membrane keyboard is affordability. They are generally much cheaper than mechanical keyboard, making them a popular choice for casual users. Membrane keyboards are also quieter because the rubber layer absorbs much of the sound produced during typing. Their lightweight design and lower manufacturing costs make them widely available. However, membrane keyboard often feel softer and less responsive. Over time, the rubber membrane can wear out, causing keys to feel inconsistent or less accurate. A mechanical keyboard, on the other hand, uses individual mechanical switches beneath each key. These switches are designed to provide precise feedback and a more satisfying typing experience. One of the biggest advantages of mechanical keyboard is durability. Mechanical switches can often last for tens of millions of keystrokes, making them significantly more durable than membrane keyboards. They also offer better responsiveness and accuracy, which is why they are popular among gamers and professionals who type frequently. Mechanical keyboard come with different switch types, allowing users to choose between tactile, clicky, or smooth key presses depending on their preference. From a typing perspective, many users find mechanical keyboards more comfortable because of their consistent feedback and reduced typing fatigue. The distinct feel of each key press can improve typing speed and accuracy. However, mechanical keyboards are generally more expensive and can be louder, especially models with clicky switches. Some people may find the noise distracting in a shared workplace or quiet environments. For gaming, mechanical keyboards often have an advantage because they provide faster response time and more precise input recognition. Many gaming keyboards also include customizable lighting, programming keys, and advanced features that are less common on membrane models. I hope you like this video. For more videos like that, please like, share, and subscribe this channel.